and welcome back to prep class. Today we were going to learn a new subject, that is general awareness. In our earlier classes we have already learned about a new subject, that is EVS, and I have already said that EVS is all about knowing your surrounding, and general awareness is knowing yourself and what are the things we use in our day-to-day life. So in our EVS subject we have already learned the 5 sense organs. What are the 5 sense organs? We have already learned. This is the 5 sense organ: eye, nose, ears, and the tongue, and the hand or the skin. Okay, so we have already learned this in our EVS. Okay, you remember? So these are the sense organs, and now today we will learn some object that we can feel or touch or smell or hear with this sense organs. Okay, so first sense organ is our ears. Okay, so I have a bell, a mobile phone, a pen, and a soft toys. So in these 4 objects we can only hear the noise of a bell, and when somebody call us, we can hear the ringtone of a mobile phone, but we cannot hear any sound from this pen or from this teddy bear. So these are the things we can hear from sound from these 2 objects. Okay, so next one is the nose. From nose we can, what we do? We smell. So I have a beautiful rose, so we can get a very beautiful pleasant smell from a rose. Yes, we have a perfume, and we have a pen, and again we have a teddy bear. So these 2 things we can smell very beautiful fragrance from the perfume, from flower, but not from a pen, but not from a teddy bear. Okay, now the next sense organ is the tongue. Okay, so I have something here. So these are the things. This is honey. We can taste the honey, and we can say that this is sweet. The sugar, it is also very sweet. This one, cookies, this is also sweet, but the chili, not sweet. We can taste and we can say this is not sweet. So what the organ we are using so to say this taste? The tongue. Okay, so the last one is our skin or our hand. So there are some objects: a matchbox or fire, a scissor, a knife, and a teddy bear again. Okay, so with these 3 things, can hurt ourselves. Fire, we can burn our hand or skin. Playing with a knife is very knife or scissor is very harmful. We can hurt ourselves, but we can always play with a teddy bear. It never hurt us. So these are the things can hurt our skin or our hand. So these are the things, sense organ, we can hurt or smell or hear from there. So there is a little activity in your book. Here the things, circle the object that you can hear with your ears. So here I have already done for you. The radio, we can hear from that. The bird singing, the bell ringing, and the clock. These are the things we can hear. Right now I just discussed. These are the things that our taste is sweet, we can taste, but we never taste the slipper. Okay, the chair. Do we? No. And the mobile phone. So we have to write cross there. Next, here all the sweet object. Right now, just I have shown you. These are the things is in taste is sweet, but lemon, egg is not sweet, and also the soup. So you have to circle the sweet object, but not the lemon, egg, and soup. That is not sweet in taste. Next one, what are the objects that can hurt yourself? Right now I have shown you. So fire, knife and scissor, these are the things. Blade and fire can hurt you, but not the fruit or apple that not hurt you. So these are the things day to day life we always use and you have to learn about in this subject. This is a very new subject and it is very interesting. So right now we are ending the class. We will meet again with our another class in general awareness and we will learn something more. Till then, bye bye.